Hello guys, it's Dale here with weekly trading ideas for this week starting today, the 9th of August 2021. Before we go into the trading ideas, I would like to invite you to a webinar which I'll have this Thursday, the 12th of August. And if you go to my website, trader-dale.com, then I placed the banner there, this one. So you can just click it and register your seat for the webinar. It is a free webinar on long-term investing with volume profile, and I'm really excited to show you what I've prepared for you there. So don't forget to register your seat. Again, it is a free webinar, and I'm sure that you'll really like it. So that's for the webinar, and let's now go into the trading ideas. So the first trading idea is on Bitcoin, and it is a day trading idea. So what you see before you, those three charts, those are all Bitcoin charts. They are linked, so they always show the same trading instrument. The chart at the top, this is a 60-minute chart, which shows how volumes were distributed throughout the whole week. So this is weekly volume profile that shows the weekly volume distribution. Now the chart below it, this is sort of my main chart. I use it the most, and in here I have a 30-minute time frame, and I use flexible volume profile there. That's a volume profile which you can move around, look into specific areas in which you are interested in. And the last chart, this is a 15-minute chart. In here 4-hour profiles get printed, which means that every 4 hours new volume profile gets printed and shows the volume distribution throughout the 4-hour period. So the trading idea on Bitcoin is based on the new strong uptrend, and especially on this area and this uptrend area. What I liked about this one is that there was a rotation within the uptrend, and I think that within this rotation strong buyers were adding to their long positions. So the buyers were pushing the price upwards. Then there was the rotation, and they used it to enter more of the long positions. You can see that if you look at the volume profile, you can see that the volume profile is pretty wide in here, and that means that there were massive volumes accumulated there, right? And from that place, the uptrend continued upwards. So this indicates that this is a place where strong buyers were building up their longs, or they were adding to their longs there, and then they pushed the price upward some more. So what we do, we wait for a pullback to 41k. This is where the heavy volumes were accumulated. And then I think that the buyers from this place will want to defend this place, and they will want to push the price upwards from there again. All right, so that's the plan, and this is a pretty strong volume-based level there, so you definitely want to keep your eye on this one. And let's now go into the next trading idea. The next one will be on euro-dollar. So now all the charts show the euro-dollar, and what I'm going to show you is a level from my members area, from my Elite Pack members area, and it is a short level based on strong selling activity that took place on Friday. This strong selling activity. So when there is a selling activity like that, a trend like that, I use the volume profile over the trend area like this, and I look for significant volume clusters, something pretty similar as you saw on the Bitcoin, right? So in here, the closest volume cluster is right there. It is beginning at 1.1779. And as the sellers were pushing the price downwards, I think they were adding to their short positions in here. We see those volumes, those are the new shorts they placed in the market. Then the downtrend continued. This confirms that those were strong sellers. So when there's a pullback to 1779, I think that those sellers will want to defend this zone, because this zone is important for them. They placed a lot of their shorts there, right? So they'll want to defend it and to push the price downwards from there again. All right, so that's the logic behind this resistance. The setup is called the trend setup because you use it when there's a trend. So that's a level from my members area. And let's now go into the next trading idea. And this one will be on the Euro Swiss franc. So this is the Euro Swiss franc, and let's first have a look at the 60-minute chart, this one. There was a downtrend, and then there was a rotation. From this rotation there came a change of a trend, and the price went upwards. This is a newly formed uptrend, and this is what I'm currently interested in the most. So this uptrend started at this place. Those heavy volumes that were created before the start of this aggressive buying activity, before the start of the uptrend. So I think strong buyers were building up their long positions in here before the start of the uptrend, and they pushed the price upwards. But the place where they placed most of their volumes was at 1.0726. So it is clearly a super important place for them, because this is the place where they place the volumes and where they started the uptrend from. So this is the reason why I think that when there's a pullback to this level in the future, there will be a reaction, because those guys will want to defend this heavy volume zone, because they placed a lot of their long positions in here, right? Now, you can also look at the weekly volume profile in here, at the volume distribution. In other words, how the volumes were distributed in the whole previous week. And you can see that the heaviest volume area was in here, just a little bit above our level. And that's a pretty nice confluence, which adds the strength to our level at 1.0726. Alright, so that's the Euro Swiss franc. By the way, there was also a trading opportunity in here. This volume cluster created within an uptrend. That's the setup which I already showed you on the Euro and on Bitcoin, right? So the beginning of the volume zone was in here. There was a pullback to it, and beautiful reaction. So this is how this trend setup is supposed to work. All right, this is how it should look like. Anyways, this level is currently spent because there already was a reaction to it. For that reason, I won't be trading it again, and closest support, day trading support, which I have is this one, 1.0726. All right, so that's it. That's for the strong support on the Euro Swiss franc. And if you guys would like to learn more about trading with volume profile, your best next step is go to my website, trader-dale.com, and press this yellow button, Trading Course and Tools. It will point you to this page where you can purchase this recommended pack. It is called the Elite Pack, and it includes a volume profile video course, my personal trading levels, volume profile indicator pack, and a couple of bonuses. You can learn everything the Elite Pack includes in this video, which you can watch in here on the side. So go ahead and check it out. And as part of all that, what you'll get as Elite Pack member, you will also get free tech support. And what that means is that our tech support team will connect to your computer using a remote desktop. They'll install NinjaTrader 8 platform for you with all the indicators, workspaces. Those are my own personal workspaces which I use. They'll connect you to data feed, and they'll do it completely free of charge. That's the part of the Elite Pack service. All right. So that's about it. That's about the Elite Pack, the recommended pack to learn how to trade with volume profile. And before I wrap this video up, I would also like to announce the winner of the contest we had the previous week. The prize of the contest was volume profile indicator, which I developed for MetaTrader 4 platform. And right now on your screen, you should see the name of the person who won the indicator. So congratulations on winning the profile, on winning in the contest. And what I will do is I'll do another contest. What you'll need to do is just leave a comment below this video, which will be uploaded on YouTube. And in the next weekly trading ideas video, I'll randomly pick one person to win my volume profile indicator. Alright, so that's about it, that's about the contest, and that's also the end of the video. So thanks for watching, I hope you liked it and I hope you found it interesting and useful, and I'll be looking forward to seeing you next time. I definitely hope to see you on Thursday in the webinar, so see you there, and until then, happy trading!